India, a nation on the rise. A $5 trillion economy is within reach. As businesses strive to seize this opportunity, expansion is no longer just about scale. It's about efficiency, innovation, and the digital pursuit of growth. In this fast-paced world, manual processes and time-consuming tasks can hinder progress. That's where Delta comes in. For the past 14 years, we've been a trusted partner, empowering businesses with AI-driven technology solutions. We've helped clients achieve 10x revenue growth. From factories to offices, we streamline operations, eliminate errors, and unlock your full potential. With Delta, you can focus on what truly matters, driving your business forward. We provide all solutions under one roof, transforming your manual, hectic processes into smooth, automated workflows. Founded in 2010 with a vision to revolutionize business operations, Delta Infosoft has grown from a passionate team of 5 to a leading innovator with 3 branches and 50+ employees. Trusted by over 150 corporate customers, we've helped businesses scale, modernize, and thrive. Delta ERP combines advanced AI, real-time analytics, and cloud scalability to revolutionize your operations. From predictive maintenance to automated workflows, our platform ensures your business is always one step ahead. With MyTime, streamline employee attendance, workforce planning, and leave approvals, all from one intuitive platform. iAccount empowers your finance team with real-time tracking, seamless invoicing, and automated tax compliance. Whether it's inventory management, production planning, or financial reporting, Delta provides the tools to save time, reduce costs, and scale effortlessly, enhance collaboration, improve decision-making, and drive measurable results across every department.
In 2010, era of desktop-based software, business can struggle lot to scale their business with a centralized tech solution. This led us to develop a centralized web-based software. That's where Delta iERP get invented. Today, we use mobile technology, web technology, and also machine integration with IoT. Now, any manufacturer, infra company, and government get a centralized data with our software.
With the many places, there are the challenges like to integrate the time and attendance system and payroll attendance management system. With the same, we are providing the solution with to integrate the biometrics machines like any other mobile applications and third-party related software with the one-time HR related solutions.
At Delta, we are not just providing software, we are providing services with data solution. It will be connected with a long-term relationship and day-to-day improvement.
We believe collaboration is the heart of innovation. Every solution we deliver is the result of teamwork, creativity, and a shared commitment to transforming businesses. Our clients' success is our success. With Delta ERP, businesses have achieved 30% improvements in efficiency, 10x revenue growth, and 0 downtime migrations. Hear from our clients how Delta Infosoft has transformed their operations and unlocked new opportunities. The future belongs to those who innovate. At Delta Infosoft, we are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Our vision is to empower businesses to stay ahead in the digital era, delivering tools that ensure success today and tomorrow. Join us as we empower businesses to thrive in the new era of Indian economy. Your growth journey starts here.
As Delta's tagline says, exponential growth partner, we are looking forward to providing software to the leading companies who want to grow in their respective fields.
Our mission to become exponential growth partner of all sides of businesses. Our software that leverage the full potential of your process, system, and your manpower that will help you to grow your business.
One vision, one Delta, one team.